Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be bringing you this look. It's a little kind of, I guess you could call it a cut crease, sort of a cut crease, cut lid, massive eyeliner situation. If you're not already subscribed to my other channel, The Ravers Review, I did actually wear this look in one of our previous videos and I did get a few requests to sort of do a tutorial on this look, so I thought I would bring that for you today. And as well as that, I thought it would be good to show you this sort of kind of cut crease technique that I've used here, because I've done videos before where it's sort of about like faking the cut crease look with a pencil eyeliner, but this actually uses liquid liner. So I feel like for some people who prefer to use liquid liner over pencil, it might be something different or a bit easier that you could try. And yeah, so I don't know what much more there is to say. Let's just get started. So the first product I'm going in with here is the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and I'm just going to place this basically right on this upper inner part of my eye. This is just going to sort of act like a base for the blue eyeshadow that I want to put here and just make it pop so it's nice and bright. This doesn't have to be too perfect. I'm literally just going to put some on and then blend it out slightly with my finger. Next, I'm taking this matte kind of light blue eyeshadow from Bleach London. It doesn't say what the shade is on here, so I don't know. It's just a matte blue. I'm taking it on this kind of dense, kind of fluffy brush. I'm really like loading it up, and then I'm just gonna press that right over the top. I want this color to be really bright and really standout-ish, so that's why you can see I added the white underneath. It makes all the difference in helping that color to really pop. And I like using this brush because it's dense enough that I can pack the color on, and then it's fluffy enough that once the color is there, I can sort of use it to lightly sort of blend out the edges. It's just easy. Like, it's literally done. That took 2 seconds. Don't be too worried about like how precise your placement is of this shade. Like, it's meant to be sort of messy and kind of in your face, so you can blend it sort of up into your brow bone, a little bit out into your crease, a little bit out onto your nose, just however you sort of want to do it. This is not exactly supposed to be a subtle look, so just go for it. Next, I'm taking the shade Mermaid from NYX. This is a prismatic shadow on a sort of flat brush. Again, I'm just really loading it up, and I'm using that to highlight my inner corner. Since this shade is pretty much just a shimmery version of the first shade we put down, I'm sort of taking it up a little bit further than just my inner corner and sort of making sure that these two shades kind of blend together, so it's not like, oh, here's matte eyeshadow and now here's shimmer eyeshadow. It's sort of like they all mesh and kind of meld together, so it basically just looks like the blue is kind of lit from within. I don't know if that makes any sense, but basically you don't want there to be a harsh line between matte and shimmer. You also want to sort of bring it down as well around that kind of tear duct area. Again, you can sort of bring it as far out into the eye or keep it as close as you want to. I just want to bring it down to sort of here a little bit where my wrinkles make an appearance, and then sort of leave it there. And that is literally it as far as eyeshadow goes. I told you this look was going to be a simple one. So next, to sort of not really cut out the crease, but basically to draw in the whole crease and lid situation, I'm going to take this eyeliner from NYX. This is the Midnight Chaos. It's like a dual-ended thing. So this is sort of just a plain kind of brown matte eyeliner, and then this side is like a shimmery one. So this side is like your regular, really thin, nice kind of eyeliner brush, and then this one with the shimmery side is slightly thicker. So this is kind of really good if you want that sort of like day to night kind of vibe. I feel like that was meant to be the point of this, because this side you can use as like a really nice kind of everyday brown liner, and then this add a little bit of shimmer over the top to sort of make it a bit more fun and interesting for nighttime. So basically I'm going to use the kind of thinner side to draw the outline of what I want my sort of crease shape to be, and then I'm just going to fill the whole of the center of it in with the glitter side, and that's the look. That's it. Now, it is very hard for me to talk on camera while doing this as well, so I'm sort of just going to explain what I'm doing on this side and then show you how I've done it on this side. So essentially what I've done is I started on the outer corner and just drew sort of quite a long line, kind of angled it up the exact same way as you would with any sort of winged liner. But instead of then going from that outer corner and then bringing it back down on the lid how you would with a winged liner, I then went sort of from the inner corner of my eye and followed my natural crease shape up and around, dipped it down sort of slightly, and then connected it. So it's sort of basically just a huge wing that encompasses your entire eye, if that makes any sense. So I just nearly poked my damn eye out putting on mascara and trying to get these lashes on. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys how easy it is with a look like this to sort of just clean up any mistakes you've got. Because if you can see on my eyelid here, like my lash was trying to play me. So I've basically got like loads of glue on my eyelid, and then like on this outer corner here, there's like mascara a little bit on my eyelid. So literally all I'm gonna do is take the eyeliner again, just the shimmery side, just take a little bit, and then basically just use it to sort of paint back over any of my little mistakes. And then just to add a final touch to the look, I don't want to just sort of add a plain black mascara because we haven't really got much going on down here. So I'm going to add this. This is the NYX Color Mascara in the shade Mint Julep. So it sort of matches the eyeshadow situation we have here. I think it just sort of, you know, ties everything together. But obviously if you don't want to go out of your way to buy a coloured mascara because you're thinking realistically, how often am I going to use this? You can just use like a coloured liquid liner and sort of just paint onto your lashes. Or sometimes what I like to do is just take the same shimmery side that I use for the eyeliner and paint that over a black mascara, because it just gives a nice sort of metallic kind of colourful sheen that's a little bit subtle but still adds a sort of nice funky addition to the eye. So, you know, you have options. So that is it for the finished look. I know this was a relatively short one, but it just goes to show that, you know, doing something a little bit fun, a little bit different, a little bit more interesting doesn't have to take a lot of time and effort and skill and a load of products and a load of brushes. It really doesn't. So I hope you found this helpful, and I hope it's inspired you to sort of step out of your box a little bit, try something a little bit funky with your eyeliner. No one's saying that you have to go, you know, cover your whole eyelid in a huge wing, but you know, you can try out a little coloured liner here and there, a little metallic liner, you know, a little bit of a coloured mascara, just something a little bit different. That's all. That's all I'm saying. Anyways, if you did enjoy this video, then make sure you give it a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and if you do want to head over to my other channel, the Ravers Review video, to check out that video there, I will probably will have left a link for it somewhere up here already, but I'll try and leave a link in the description box, and you know, places where you could subscribe and all of that, you know, stuff. So, yeah, I don't really know what else to say now, except I'll see you in the next video, I guess.